Are you looking for the best guitar amp in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 7 best guitar amp that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Positive Grid Practice Guitar. The Positive Grid Spark is a powerful 40-watt combo amplifier that includes a wealth of features for the modern musician. Powered by Positive Grid's bias engine, the Spark has access to over 10,000 amp and FX presets, making it easy to find the perfect sound for any situation. The Spark's Smart app also allows you to import music from Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube, and the app will automatically display the guitar chords in real time. The Spark is also a great USB audio interface, and comes with PreSonus Studio One Prime recording software for tracking your ideas. At number 2, Boss Katana Mini Goator. The compact desktop-sized guitar amp is perfect for practicing in any room of the home or at a friend's house. It fits easily in a backpack or bag for on-the-go portability. This amp has 2 channels, built-in analog delay, and a user-friendly interface. The 1 ohm input impedance and 3-inch speaker, 4 ohm, 5 watt, make it a great choice for practicing or recording. The AUX and 10K ohm headphone out and emulated line out allow for noiseless practicing or recording. The 3 power supply modes, 9V power adapter, USB connection via a power bank, or 6AA batteries make this amp very versatile. The guitar cable is ideal for connecting an electric guitar, bass, or keyboard to an amplifier or PA system. The 23 AWG oxygen-free copper center conductor and OFC spiral shield provide improved signal clarity and interference protection. The 1/4-inch straight-to-right angle connectors provide a high-quality, noise-free, and high-fidelity connection. At number 3, Donner Amplifier Electric Guitar. Donner's M10 amplifier is a great option for those looking for a versatile and affordable option for their electric guitar playing. The M10 has a unique app effector input that allows you to connect your mobile phone to use software effects for practice, playing, and recording. The amplifier also features a tone tailored for heavy music players with its 10-watt output and extreme distortion sound. The M10 also has a large range of tone control with its 3-band EQ and 1/8 auxiliary input jack for jam along with media player or CD. The amplifier is also quite sturdy, with a hard material surrounding the edge and a rubber pad on the bottom to keep it in place. At number 4, MOER Amplifier Combo Guitar. If you're looking for a versatile and high-quality digital amplifier, look no further than the 9 model amp from Popular Guitar Amplifier Company. This amp has built-in modulation, delay, and reverb effects with independent tap tempo for each, making it perfect for live or preset performance. You can store and recall up to 9 presets, and the highly sensitive precision tuner ensures that you always sound your best. The wireless BT connectivity and AUX-IN allow you to play media back from your amplifier, and the dedicated headphones output ensures that you can always enjoy your music without disturbing others. The 6.5-inch custom speaker delivers rich, full sound, and the 15W RMS power ensures that you can always enjoy your music at a high volume. The DC-18V 2000 mAh center pin negative power supply ensures that your amplifier always has the power it needs to perform at its best. At number 5, Donner Electric Guitar. The Amazon Basics guitar amp is a great option for those looking for a compact, desktop-size amp. It's perfect for practicing in any room of the home or at a friend's house, and it fits easily in a backpack or bag for on-the-go portability. The amp has 2 channels, a built-in analog delay, and a user-friendly interface. It also has a 1 ohm input impedance and a 3-inch speaker 4 ohm, 5 watt. The frequency response range is 40-16 kHz. The amp also has an AUX and 10K ohm headphone out and an emulated line out for noiseless practicing or recording. It can be powered by a 9V power adapter, a USB connection via a power bank, or 6AA batteries power supply not included. The amp measures 7 by 6 by 4 inches and is backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. At number 6, FLAMMA Amplifier Combo Guitar. There are plenty of reasons to love the Donner Bluetooth guitar amplifier. For starters, it comes with 7 different preamp types, each of which is based on a popular guitar amplifier. This means that you can get the perfect sound for your playing style, whether you're a clean player or a heavy metal shredder. But that's not all. The Donner amplifier also comes with built-in modulation, delay, and reverb effects, as well as a chorus effect with independent tap tempo control. This means that you can get the perfect sound for your playing style, whether you're a clean player or a heavy metal shredder. And if that wasn't enough, the Donner amplifier also has a Bluetooth connection and a stereo headphone output. This means that you can jam along to your favorite tunes or practice in silence without disturbing the people around you. At number 7, Donner Mini Guitar. Donner Cyclops is a great mini guitar combo amplifier for bedroom practicing, desktop recording, or taking out anywhere jamming with your friends. It features 7 amplifier models, a drum machine, 3 types of effects, and a wireless audio function. The retro design is sure to add luster to your home no matter where you put it. The 7 amplifier models include 6 guitar amps models based on world-famous classic/boutique/modern amplifiers and a flat model with an unprocessed transparent sound. The 40 drum patterns including 10 metronome types and tap button to set drum tempo make the perfect accompaniment for any style of playing. The 3 types of effects mod, delay, reverb each have 2 selections and 1 knob control for easy use. The wireless audio function allows you to pair Cyclops with your phone and enjoy your favorite songs on the go. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Donner Cyclops is a great choice for anyone looking for a portable, all-in-one mini amplifier. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.